Hari andu 82 aria mathimitwo murimu wa corona kwa ihinda ria mathaa 24 kenda ni arwaru murimu wa COVID-19 makiongerereka hari aria 16 marari arwaru ithabu riu rigikinya 25.
Out of the 9 confirmed cases, 7 are Kenyans while 2 are foreigners. And of the 7 Kenyans, 3 have contacted the virus from close contact or previously confirmed cases, while the 4 others have contacted the same from countries that are affected with the virus. The new patients have already been taken into isolation in our facilities.
Aria mena homa ino ya COVID-19 maumite kaunti inya iria ni Nairobi, Mombasa, Kilifi na Kwale. Mihango ya gwethana na aria mahutanitie na aria mena homa ino no irathii na mbere. Andu 745 nio maigitwo keheri-ini ni thirikari metarire guthimwo no namba ino ni nyihanyihite thutha wangi kuheo rutha mainuke.
98 of them have been discharged after completing the 14-day follow-up period. We now have remaining 647 close contacts that our tracing teams are monitoring. 15 individuals are currently admitted at Bagathi Hospital waiting test results.
Hari ya 25 aria mena COVID-19 eri no mehatikaini no ni marathii na mbere na kwamukira urigitani.
The one in Kilifi, we actually flew a ventilator, for them yesterday, and from what the reports I got this morning is that the Frenchman is responding well. But all the other people that have tested positive are okay. We think we might have some good news.
Na kuona Akenya amwe matirarumirira mawatho maria mekiritwo ni thirikari kunyihanyihia gutamba kwa murimu uyu mutahia ugite mikana makiria ya kwanirirwo niguo gutigirira ndunatherema makiria. Mitaratara wa kuiga keheri-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 andu aria makinyite na ndege no urathii na mbere.
I would like to urge all Kenyans to fully support the measures being undertaken by the government to deal with this deadly virus. Tomorrow, we will be announcing further measures as in view and in consideration of the developments so far.
Akenya morito mathii na mbere na kugacirithia utheru na kwigitira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.